Hey, quiz lovers! It's Quiz Kingdom! Think you really know animals from tiny bugs to wild beasts? Let's put your brain to the test in this epic animals knowledge trivia quiz. Froggy's prepared 60 fun questions, and you'll have 10 seconds to choose the right answer each time. How good is your knowledge of animals? Let's find out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. Now let's dive in! First question, which ocean creature also changes color as camouflage? That would be the octopus. What animal is known for regularly shedding its skin? The answer is the snake. Which creature has the most powerful bite in the animal kingdom? The crocodile wins this one. Who has ears that can rotate independently? The cat, of course. What animal weighs more than the other? That heavy title goes to the hippo. Which one uses its hump to store fat, not water? That would be the camel. Which animal is built to survive high up in the mountains? The yak can handle that altitude. Which animal breathes through its skin instead of lungs? That's the earthworm. Which animal's usually a bigger fan of water? The dog, of course. Here comes a new challenge. Listen to the beat and say the word on time. Can you keep up? How well did you do? Which animal prefers hunting as a team? That's the wolf. Which one's often considered the smarter choice? The chimpanzee takes it. Which animal's famous for its thick mane? That would be the lion. Which farm animal is recognized by its curly tail? The pig, of course. Which sea creature has the ability to change its sex? That fascinating animal's the clownfish. Which one inflates itself to stay safe from predators? The pufferfish uses that trick. Which animal is considered the most dangerous here? The tiger earns that title. Which one's the smallest mammal on the list? That's the bat. Which tiny creature's known for living in massive colonies? The ant fits perfectly. Flip challenge. Can you guess the word in the mirror? You guessed it, anteater. What animal holds the record for farthest migration on Earth? That would be the Arctic tern. Which sea creature gets around just fine with no bones at all? That's the jellyfish. Who's quicker when swimming through water? The speedy one here is the penguin. Who naps with one eye still open? The clever dolphin does. Which creature is so tough it could survive outer space? Shockingly, it's the tardigrade. What animal has the ability to shift its color to hide? That skill belongs to the chameleon. Which one can seal its nostrils shut while diving? That's a neat trick by the seal. can actually smell while underwater? Believe it or not, the dolphin. Which creature can keep living even after losing a limb? The starfish can. How many Patrick stars are there in this picture? That's right, there were 13. Which animal has fingerprints so close to humans they can be mistaken for ours? That would be the koala. What creature gets by just fine without any teeth at all? That's the turtle. Which tiny creature's known for having 5 eyes? Believe it or not, it's the bee. Which small critter hides snacks right in its cheeks? That clever one's the hamster. Which one's so light-footed it can literally run across water? That neat trick belongs to the basilisk. Which animal's known for using tools to get what it wants? The chimpanzee does just that. Which surprising creature actually has teeth? Believe it or not, the snail. Which animal can't walk backwards at all? That would be the kangaroo. Which animal's famous for hibernating through the cold? That's the hedgehog. Remember the positions of all characters. Can you remember where Sonic is? That's right, he's number 3. Which animal could survive after being frozen solid? The frog can pull that off. Who spends more time sleeping than almost anyone else? That lazy title goes to the koala. Which animal's been known to solve puzzles? That smart thinker is the crow. Which insect has the strange ability to hear using its legs? The grasshopper. Which one sleeps while standing tall? That's the horse. Who throws the most powerful punch in the animal kingdom? That title goes to the mantis shrimp. Which animal can detect sounds so low we can't even hear them? The elephant can. Which animal relies on its whiskers to sense movement nearby? The cat uses them like radar. Which creature catches prey with a super sticky tongue? That would be the frog. Look carefully. Can you spot the odd one out? Here it is. Who has bizarre blue-colored blood? That strange fact belongs to the horseshoe crab. Who takes the title as the largest animal on Earth? It's the blue whale. Which animal's actually more dangerous than most people think? Surprisingly, the bee. Which creature lives the shortest life of all? That would be the fly. What animal literally carries its home wherever it goes? The snail does. Which animal's known for having incredibly sharp claws? That's the eagle. Which one can survive for weeks without a single drink? Of course, the camel. Which animal holds the record for the longest lifespan? That honor goes to the tortoise. Which animal on this list lays eggs? The crocodile does. Pay attention to these cups. Where's the crocodile? You found him! Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge!